Whew. Okay, this video was stressful even before it started. But you know what? We'll get into that later. Hi everyone, if you're tuning into my channel for the first time, hola, I am just Christopher and thank you for joining me. And for those that have already subscribed, thank you so much for joining me once again. I don't know where that came from. We're just gonna accept it. Okay. Alright, so first, can we start with the merch? I'm so excited. This is going to be my first video wearing the Integrity Toys merchandise that I purchased. I only purchased the t-shirt because I felt like it was going to be so, like, powerful to wear the tee while reviewing to the toys, reacting to the toys, unboxing the toys. There's so many ways we can say the same thing, technically. But anywho, yes. So from now on, you might not see the denim jacket again unless I'm doing like a styling session or unboxing something else. It's possible because guess what? The denim jacket was giving me life. So I'm sorry if you didn't like it. It's just going to come back. But from now on, whenever I unbox an Integrity girl, boy, toy, I'll be wearing this shirt. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Enough of the merchandise. Although if you haven't already, you should go get some because it's really cute and I like it. This Adele has given me the most hell out of all the girls. Okay, so I ordered from Sideshow. I've mentioned this before. And this actually, it's not a rant about Sideshow. It's a rant about the UPS. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I guess it was a different driver on the route. And he decided to say that he attempted to deliver twice. Not once, but twice. And guess what? There were people home both days and no one attempted anything. So I gladly called Sideshow. They gladly helped me out because also no one is answering the phone at UPS because of COVID. So they weren't really helpful. But Sideshow was helpful. They called, they handled it, they left my box at customer service, and today I finally was able to convince my sister to drive me there. So without further ado, I've slid her out of her box already because I like the tissue paper. Feel like I have the tissue paper. It just feels so nice. I don't know why I'm presenting the box to you like you've never seen it before. We've had the same box now for quite some time. No. Ooh, I had to take a moment. Like, it came over me. I was like, wait, you gotta prepare yourself. I've been waiting for this girl for so long. Like, for so long. But I'm ready. I should be used to this by now, but I'm not used to this by now. Oh, sorry guys. Why even tell you? I could just show you. So her head is to the side again. And obviously it's to protect the hairstyle. I know better now. It's just when I opened the box and that's what I saw first. I was just like, oh, okay. So it caught me off guard. Hold on one moment. You can look at my bald spot if you want. There we go. You Instagram people have me like inspecting my dolls a lot more than I used to. So now I'm like up in her face. Up in it. But she's gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you, gorgeous. Okay. One more view of her in her box. Get a little closer for you. Okay, so now let's break this down before I move forward. It looks like I'm holding a book. It's a beautiful story. For those that are new to my channel and to this experience, as I hope it is for you, I'm going to go ahead and unbox her off camera. I don't want you to struggle with me. And then I'm going to be presenting her in all of her accessories and how she is meant to be. Now, for those of you that are already subscribed, you know I'm going to follow that up with a restyle. Now, I think I have an idea of what I want to do, but for this particular video, I have not even taken out all my clothes. So I think I'm gonna feel it out and see what inspires me once I jazz her up. Okay, that was enough talking. Yeah, it really was. So it's almost like I cannot help but start at the shoes. But what I will point out with these particular shoes, although they're technically the same style as the one that Agnes had in the first boudoir wave, these have a small little platform, which I think is super cute. They're focused. Thanks. Love, 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 love these shoes because I think the silver and the plastic is gonna like be useful in so many different looks. So I'm so excited to restyle those. Ooh, yes. So here we are, Miss Adele rocking all of her accessories. Big pointer though. So I opened the box and there were a pair of random hands just thrown in there. And I was a little confused, but I acknowledged that the hands that were just thrown in the box had the plastic pegs. So it looks like she went into production, they packed her up, she had the metallic pegs. The problems must have been reported with Vanessa and they did the plastic pegs at the last minute. And here she is, guys, look at her. I feel like I need to get her closer to the light. Can we get her closer to the light? Yeah, so pretty. I'm loving this take of like a classic Christian Dior design, but very futuristic. It's just like the perfect blend of timeless and future all together. And I am obsessed. I also just love the fact that these pieces are going to be so much fun to restyle. Like this skirt, so many things can happen. This jacket could be bougie, could be night, could be day. The sky is the limit. But yes, ladies and gentlemen, that is Miss Adele with all of her accessories. Apologies for the car, it's so New York. But yeah, here she is. Now, I still don't know what I'm gonna restyle her in, but let's find out and see. Okay, so usually when a girl is like so glam, which to me Adele was, I usually dress her in something a little bit more casual, but I couldn't help myself. And I feel like she just belonged in the Faces of Adele fuchsia pink dress. Also, I took the damn curl down. I had been dreaming about it for so long. It just looks so good, swept to the side the way that it is. Just so classic. I personally love an updo, so I love when the girls already come with them. It's a thing that I adore. Not really loving that side view. We'll work on that later. This was a quick fixer-upper. But yes, here is Adele redressed in the Faces of Adele's pink dress, which I personally think she is rocking. I really kind of just used the shoes and the ring from her original set and then paired it up with some other stuff. Yeah, the side suit on this side is gorgeous. I'm gonna need to work on it from this angle, but that's all right. We'll work on that later. But yeah, here she is, Adele redressed, giving a different vibe, different look, just so you guys can see what she looks like in something else other than what she comes in. She's stunning, just stunning. I mean, this almost like it. She belongs in it. So pretty. All right, everyone, that was today's video. Thank you so much for tuning in with me. Once again, for those that are already subscribed, I appreciate you guys so much. And for those that have stayed for the first time throughout this whole video, please, please, please make sure to subscribe. Also, make sure to like and comment. Let's get that traffic going. I hear, you know, if we get some traffic going in those apartments, we can bring this video up, okay? Also, if I'm not mistaken, I can confirm there will be one more video. That's right. Not that the channel's over, that's not what I meant. I meant that I can confirm that there's another girl officially on her way. Who? You gotta tune in, boo-boo, next week, because not only am I showing you a new girl, the resale that I'm planning for that particular girl, I'm already excited about, because I already have those pieces and they're new, and I haven't unboxed those pieces. Ooh, it's like a double unboxing one video. Yes. Now that I think about it. I like that. Okay, anyways. I am clearly losing my train of thought here. So this is where we end this. Okay, guys. Thank you so much once again. Bye.